Hi there and welcome to the final lecture of chapter 7. Well, you made it till the end. You created this wonderful scene and I'm proud of you. Because I know how hard it is to complete things like this, such a large environmental scene. But you watched all these chapters and you watched this final chapter as well. You created the castle and you made a render and there it is. So I'd love to see it. I hope you will share your work with all the other students. So we will look at it. Maybe you want to have some feedback or just want to share this image. And also think about sharing your designs on other platforms. Think about Blender Artist or ArtStation. It's quite fun sharing your work to other people. They will give you feedback and you can learn from it. So that's pretty much it. So what now? Well, I probably will make more videos in this course. I'm thinking about extending the course with new chapters, new environments, and also doing some real-time environment work in the Unreal Engine. But for now, I will mainly focus on making the course more stable. So if you have any questions or things what you think could be improved, let us know and we'll try to fix that. So thanks for watching. It was a great time working with you. And I hope to see you next time. See you later and bye-bye.